So in this example, we have given angle A and two sides. So let's again try to see what we have here. This appears to be the ambiguous case as well. So we're going to start with the law of sines. And when we use the law of sines, again, we're going to look for our known ratio. And we have that right here where I have side A over the sine of angle A would be equal to side B over the sine of angle B. So we have 10 for side A over the sine of 50 equals 20 over sine B. So it's sine B I want to solve for. So I have the sine of B would be equal to 20 times the sine of 50 divided by 10. So when I put that into the calculator, I find out that when I put this right here into the calculator and simplify, I find out that that's 1.53. Now, before you go any further, there's a caution here. So I was trying to trick you. I cannot take the sine of anything larger than 1. In other words, the domain for the inverse sine is domain is between negative and positive 1. This is outside of the domain, and therefore I cannot proceed. In other words, when you have something like this, this is the no triangle is formed case. Remember, we had, I'll scroll all the way back up here for a second, we had this case right here where no side is actually formed, and in that example we're looking at right now, when I don't have a possible value for my angle, that's what we're looking at, is a no triangle case. So in these series of videos so far, we've seen what happens when we have one triangle, we've seen what happens when we have two triangles, and now you've seen what happens when we have no triangle.